If you've ever wandered down the credit score rabbit hole, you may have felt a bit overwhelmed. Let's face it, credit is not an easy subject, and sometimes the more answers you get, the more questions you end up having. That's why we've created a crash course to help you better understand how your credit score works. The purpose of a credit score is to predict how likely you are to pay back a loan on time. That's why many companies will run your credit when considering giving you a mortgage, credit card, auto loan, or other credit product, and to determine the terms of the financing. They do this by reaching out to credit agencies like Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion and asking for their calculation of your credit score, usually in a range from 300 to 850. So how do these companies calculate your score? Well, using your personal info, they compile information that can include things like your bill paying history, your current unpaid debt, the number and type of loan accounts you have, how long you've had your loan accounts open, how much of your available credit you are using, new applications for credit, and whether you are in collections or have experienced a foreclosure or a bankruptcy and how long ago. They take factors like the above examples and apply their proprietary formula to create your final score. Now this part is important because it brings up a few good points. Different agencies calculate scores in different ways, so it's normal for you to have different credit scores for each agency. Also, there is no fixed schedule for calculation, so companies can report at different times, and reporting agencies can also calculate and update scores on completely different timetables. So with all this complication, what can you do to help improve your credit score? While there are no guarantees that certain actions will impact your score, there are a few best practices you can follow that may help. These include paying your loans on time, every time, avoiding getting close to your credit limit, building a long credit history, only applying for credit that you need, and fact-checking your credit reports, which you can get free annually at annualcreditreport.com. Congratulations! You now know a little bit more about what a credit score is, what it does, and how you can improve yours. If you have any more questions or want to learn more, visit us at our website at myprestige.com.